Hi, my name is Brian Norton with the InData project at Easter Seals Crossroads, and today we're going to be talking about the OrCam Read 3. So let's go ahead and take a look.
Hi, my name is Matt Darusz, and I am the manufacturing rep for OrCam. I oversee Ohio, Michigan, and Indiana, and we are going to be talking about the OrCam 3.0 today. So the OrCam 3.0 launched about 3 or 4 months ago. It can now display onto a computer screen, similar to an OCR. As you can see here, you're able to zoom in and out. You have your contrast down here. It will then also be able to save your photos, but it can also transcribe. So it transcribes, but also here's your download button. We're going to take it to font. The other nice thing is you can change the backgrounds, which I'll show you, to either dark mode or a light mode. It can also go into a paragraph or sentence mode where it will underline the words for you to be able to allow you to follow along. You can also do speed changes for faster, slower, and again, here's your contrast. And then simply
OrCam Read 3. Personalize your visual journey. Your all-in-one solution with an interactive OWL assistant. OrCam Read 3 is an all-in-one solution for people with...
Then you can go to your settings for your views, as I mentioned. You can go to one-line mode. You save that. But then you can also do your light modes. So you can change your background. You have your different contrasts. And then you also have different English speaking, and you have 116 different voices. So we're just going to go back. Then, when we are all done, you can even take the device off, and it turns into the basic, regular. So you can see it's moving.
Your OrCam is disconnected.
You can now take it on the go and just use it as the regular read.
Visual journey. Your all-in-one solution with an interactive...
So the device is portable. It can be on a stand and display it on a computer screen, a smart TV, or an iPad. So if you have any questions, just please reach out.
Well, that's your tech tip for today. I want to say thank you to the Indiana Telephone Relay Access Corporation for sponsoring our captions today. My name is Brian Norton with the InData project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.